Good morning, ma'am. I am Francis M. Malabo from BSE 1B. So, the question, the, the two concepts that resonated with you the most or something I want to apply. Lesson 2. I apply generalize others. I should think not only about myself but also about the people around me. The concept of the generalized other reminds me that every action I take can affect my family, classmates, friends, and community. I want to apply this by being more responsible, respectful, and cooperative in everything I do. Before making a decision, I will try to consider how it will impact others, not just myself. I believe that when everyone learns to think this way, we can build stronger relationship and create a more caring and united community. The second concept is private self, public self, and collective self. What what resonates with me the most is the idea that I have a different side of myself. My private self is who I am when no one watching, while my public self is how other people see me. I want to apply this by making sure that my action in public reflect my true values such as being kind, honest, and respectful. At the same time, I want to remember that I don't have to change who I am just to please others. I also want to develop my collective self by working with others, helping my classmates, and thinking about what is best for me, the group. I believe that balancing these three aspects of the self will help me become a better person and responsible member of society. Lesson 3. The concept identity struggle. What resonates with me the most is that other people opinions do not always define who I am. Sometimes people may misunderstand me or judge me based on one mistake, but I should not let those opinions determine my identity. Instead, I want to use both positive and negative feedback to improve myself by staying true to my values. If someone has the wrong impression of me, I believe the best way to respond is through honest communication and by showing my true character through my action. This reminds me to be confident in who I am, but also humble enough to concept construct, accept constructive criticism and continue growing as a person identity struggle. The second concept is individual self, relation self, and collective self. Why what resonated with me the most is that have different parts of myself that help shape who I am. My individual self reminds me to know my own strength, values, and goals. My relation self teach me to value my relationship with my family, friends, and classmates by showing love, respect, and kindness. My collective self reminds me that I am a part of a bigger community. I should cooperate, follow rules, and help others. I want to apply this to myself by staying true to who I am, treating others with respect, and contributing positive to my school and community. I believe that balancing these three aspects will help me become a responsible, caring, and confident person.